Alright, so this is video 3 of the Project X Proto board. What I'm showing you right now is the wiring hookup for a DHT 11, 22, whatever, just a DHT sensor. You can see the power comes in on pin 1. The 10K ohm resistor passes over to pin 2. Pin 2 has a wire going out. That's your sensor out wire going over to the Arduino board. That'll go to a digital input. Pin 3 is blank, nothing there. Pin 4 is ground. Pretty simple hookup. Let me try to go over to show you the hookup. Alright, this is the hookup for the Dallas semiconductor temp sensors. We have a 4.7K ohm resistor hooked up in series with power, and so you go from power to your 4.7K ohm resistor, then you go to all of your sensor input pins, and then finally on the far right side you've got the black and brown wire that goes over to a digital input on your Arduino board. Okay, so those are the connections. Really, that's all I wanted to show on this video was the connections. Right there is the analog 0 input. Over here I've got I think that's on digital 5. This is a mega board that I'm using. Down there on pin 38, I believe it is, that's the input from the soil hygrometer. Just to show you again, I am using the RJ45s to connect everything. It's a really slick way of connecting. Super easy, quick connection, disconnection. Couldn't be any simpler than that. But there it is. Obviously, I've broken the whole project out of the box that I had before. It's just easier having it out in the wide open. Once I get this thing completely figured out, we'll put everything on a printed circuit board, and this sucker will fit in a really, really small form factor, with the exception that we're going to have a ton of RJ45 connections because of all of the sensors that we're going to have. But anyway, that's it. Have a good one.